How to change graphic settings in Zooba. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you're playing Zooba and want to adjust the graphics for better visuals or smoother gameplay, first of all open the Zooba application on your device and make sure that you're inside the lobby page. Once you're in the lobby, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear button. This will open settings, from where you need to select a visual from the left. Inside visual, go to the quality option and select the graphic quality you want. Choose a higher setting if you want better visual quality. Choose a lower setting if you want smoother performance. Once you've done that, you can also go ahead and select the FPS, and once you are done, get back to the lobby screen, start a match and check how the game performs. If your Zooba application is lagging, you can try lowering the graphic quality. So that is how you can change the graphic settings in Zooba application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.